Okay.
Okay, Biltong Shop, this is your Volcano Challenge. Here's the pack. Chopping it open now. If the scissors work. Cat's eating the pack. That's the largest piece in the pack.
Okay. Just lower the bag a bit so I see your face. And we need to see you for 30 seconds after you've eaten a piece. No.
Ain't no heat. That's not a challenge.
I have a piece.
What is this that you call that volcano? Nah. You need to bring it on. It's chewy, but it ain't hot.
Quite a nice flavour.
Yeah. Was it 30 seconds?
I think we've probably done 30 seconds. But
well, I suppose, is it from when you swallow? Where's the instructions?
might be from when you swallow on the floor.
Instructions. At least 30 seconds from when you've swallowed. It was 45 seconds past 22:58.
Well, I've been videoing for 2 minutes 10 now.
Yeah.
So, yeah. $2.30.
I work harder, bells. That's it.
Did you just drop a bit?
No, we're here.
Yeah, okay. That's done.
Yeah.
Your challenge, Biltong Shop, needs to be more robust. Signing off.